Okay, question 31. Use the quadratic formula to solve the equation 3x squared minus 10x plus 5 equals 0. So, step 1, quadratic formula. This is on your reference sheet. You want to identify A, B, and C. A, the number in front of x squared, is 3. B, the number in front of x, is negative 10. C, the number all by itself, is positive 5. So that's A, B, and C. Now we're going to take those values and plug them right in to the quadratic formula. So x equals opposite B. So instead of negative 10, we're going to say positive 10 plus or minus the square root, negative 10 squared minus 4 times A is 3 times C is 5, all over 2 times 3. This is one of those times where A is not 1, so you need that 3 in the denominator as well. So first thing we always deal with is the discriminant. When we square negative 10, we get 100 minus 4 times 3 is 12 times 5 is 60. So the square root of 100 minus 60 is the square root of 40. Now, when we're dealing with the square root of 40, that's really the square root of 4 times the square root of 10. So now when we think about these two square roots, we're getting out the biggest perfect square we can. We can take the square root of 4 and get 2. So our new discriminant is 2 square root 10. So now we plug that back into our quadratic formula. So we have x equals 10 plus 2 radical 10 all over 6. So notice 10, 2, and 6 are all even. So we're going to take out a 2. So we take half of 10, we get 5. 2 over 2 cancels, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our answer is x equals 5 plus or minus square root of 10 all over 3. So this comes back a little to my OCD, right? I want to make sure that I write 2 separate complete answers for this, just to remind everybody that when you do a quadratic equation, you should always expect there could be 2 possible answers. And that's what that plus or minus really means. We've got 5 plus square root of 10, and we've got 5 minus square root of 10. And this is full credit for question number 31.